Hey guys, welcome to our answers to your questions. Let's get right to it. First question. Estimated price of the update? $95. The price stays the same, for now at least. Will there be new controllers for 3D agents? Yes, there will be new controllers. Plus, they can all be found in the package as source code files. There's an aircraft, a copter, and a spaceship controller. In addition to that, we've provided a PID controller base class. Since we can't interpolate, this controller will help you achieve smooth motion. Will it be a new asset on the asset store or a separate one with an upgrade option? It will be the exact same asset, but with all the extensions. Though at some point in the future we may present you Polarith AI in modular packages. Polarith AI Pro, however, remains the full-fledged version that contains everything. Will there be any changes for me when using Polarith AI? Other than all the new features? No. There won't be anything that spoils your user experience. Is it still going to be mobile friendly? We can assure you that there won't be any significant changes for your mobile projects. Everything that you are used to should run just as smooth. How about the performance of the new 3D sensors? The performance stays dependent on the receptor count. Since there are in general more receptors in a 3D sensor, using them is more expensive. You see, there's the nature of the beast, right? What we can say though, is that our new 3D sensors are world's most performant 3D sensors used for context steering. ETA on the release date? That's what we want to know. We're occupied with a number of projects at the moment, but we are working on it in every free minute. Could be months, could be just weeks. Are all behaviors compatible with the new 3D sensors? Of course not. There are behaviors for 2D scenarios and behaviors for 3D scenarios. Behaviors containing the name planar are only compatible with planar sensors, which means that all other behaviors are compatible with all kinds of sensors. More on that in our documentation. Is it going to use multi-threading and the new burst compiler? We're not working with Unity's burst compiler yet, but it is a really cool feature and we are planning on working with it. Multi-threading and load balancing are working like a charm in the AIM performance component. That's it for today. Thank you for your questions. Feel free to send us more through the comment section. All links in the description, and see you next time. Bye.